Why, oh why, did no one tell me about this? I could have saved so much. We're gonna redo that. Why, oh why, did no one tell me about this? I could have saved so much time in my life. Today, we are talking about one of the best kept secrets within Final Cut Pro. Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. I know it's been a very hot minute. I know this should be an announcement video about the secret project, well, semi-secret project I've been working on, but that's coming soon. I know I should have a video about why I'm going down to one Twitter handle. That's also coming soon. Life is hectic, okay? Just shh. Today, I want to talk about one of the best kept secrets within Final Cut Pro. At least it was secret to me until I saw one of Cody Warner's videos, but I wanted to show it to you guys as well if you edit videos in Final Cut Pro as well. So let's go ahead and jump into Final Cut Pro right now. So now that we have Final Cut Pro open, I have a old project open. I know I've brought it up in multiple videos, but this is the best example because in the original, if I just disable this real quick, we had a flag come rolling behind everything and I had to mask out the body and it was a pain in the butt. But little did I know that there's an easier way. So for starters, I just need to come find my mask tool over in the effects under masks and then hit draw mask, drag that on top of our video clip, and now we can just draw a real basic shape here. Then I could fine tune it, but if for whatever reason I decide, man, I sure wish I had another dot around here, I can just right click and add a point right there. What? I didn't know this before and I wasted many hours of my life just, hold up, moving points around until it worked out just right for me. And I would purposely make extra so that I would definitely have enough for this edit. Why did no one tell me I can just add a point? And if I don't need it, delete it. What? So I know that was a really fast video, and for the record, no, I'm not switching back to Final Cut Pro. I would like to, but I need to be learning Premiere more and using it more. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and you can click in the end card to see my previous video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.